Yes, my people, welcome back to another video. Bless upon yourself. Give God thanks and praise. We have health and strength. I don't know. Today we are going to do pruning, otherwise called de-leafing. Don't know. So we are going to take one leaf below here and take one leaf from the center up here. Alright? Yeah, man. So we just do it like this. See it? One below, one in the middle. Yeah, man. And you do every row like that, every tree. See it there? One below, one in the middle. Alright? And you have it looking like that. So we show you what I go on. Alright? So as you can see how I'm doing it, yeah, man. One leaf below the second cluster, remove that, and one leaf from in the middle of the plant. Sometimes the leaf in the middle of the plants is either it above the fourth cluster or below the third cluster. But you still remove it because don't know the second bunch and the first bunch below and the tomato tree, yeah, man, them are get fit up now, so them soon start ripe. So you know we are prepared for ripening stage and things. So you have to go through and do it like this first, and then now after I'll go back now and give it another prune to the third cluster. So when you start to ripe now, you go pick from a first cluster to the second cluster. Sometimes you will find a few on the third cluster, but as time go by, them start to ripe more and more. So as I say, I'm just patient, watch what I go on, and as time go by, in a different stages of the tomato growing and preparation, we show you how we do it. Yeah, man, because enough people go to the grocery stores and buy tomatoes and things, but them never see how it prepare or grow. Yeah, man, you have to nurture it like a baby, you know. If you don't nurture it and care it, you now get a good production and so forth. Alright, just like how you have a baby where catch flu and him nostril stuff up, and you have to use either eucalyptus oil or something, or came to the doctor to get him nostril clear. Yeah, that's how it go with tomatoes plant. Other crops also too, you have to nurture it. So like you see the tomato now, them are get fit now, then full out. Yeah, you know, say ripening soon begin, so you have to make a preparation and thing. Yeah, man. So I'm not just patient, and as time go by, we show you stage by stage how the tomatoes them prepare the right way for ripening and so forth. Yeah, man. And along the way in the video, we show you how the tomatoes them look. Alright? Yeah, man. So not just go and watch what I go on. Alright? Yeah.